Good evening, everyone. My today's presentation topic is cultural influence of movies and pop culture on fashion and identity. These are my academic information. These are table of contents and my research question and hypothesis. So, how do different culture industries, Bollywood, Studio Ghibli, and the Korean Wave, influence fashion trends and shape culture identities through their unique mechanism of dissemination? And hypothesis is while the mechanism differs, Bollywood through mass replication of on-screen fashion, Ghibli through aesthetic globalization, and the Korean wave through digital translation platform. All three industries significantly shape cultural identities by transforming fashion into a medium of culture expression and global connectivity. So, introduction. In this presentation, I will deal with the. I am dealing with the pop culture. How the society inspired by the movies, dressing up hairstyles of heroines, and then any that series, and nowadays that. Uh, Ghibli images and also the Korean dramas all are in nowadays the people are inspired. So in this presentation I'm dealing with that. So Bollywood as a historical transistor. So my first argument is Bollywood historically acts as a fashion engine, inspiring mass clothing trends and defining generational styles. So here are some 19th movie that first is Mughal Azam, then Brahmachari and Hum Aapke Hai Kaun, and then Bunty and or Bubbly. So in those movies, there are some dressing styles and that how the society captures in the recent time also some captures that. So in Madhubala, the anarkali suit. In the nowadays also fine. Then Mumtaz sari wrap up, and then Madhuri Dixit outfit in the Hum Aapke Hai Kaun movie, and Bunty or Bubbly movie that Rani Mukherjee's Indo-Western look. So here we can find some images of that. Here the Anarkali, then Madhuri Dixit and one fan followers how she follow her dress up styles, and then here Rani Mukherjee, and here one sari dress up. So all are the fan culture we can find that inspired by movies. So, in contemporary movies, how the fashion deals in society. So, argument is Bollywood use market and celebrity machinery to rapidly convert on-screen styles into off-screen identity maker. So, in recent 2023, that Rocky Aur Rani Ki Prem Kahani movie, then in Shershah, the hairstyle of Kiara Advani, and in Rocky Aur Rani Ki Kahani, the sari of Alia Bhatt nowadays also very famous, and there is a famous cycle that helps the economical grow of that market people and how people bought that. So here, yesterday I found that Kiara Advani's hairstyle and look up in Shersha. So at that time, I also find that in Amazon also that, and what the sari name also with Alia Bhatt Rocky Aur Rani Ki Prem Kahani trendy sari. So that also in Amazon I found that and how the hairstyle of Kiara Advani. So emergence of studio, it there are some pronouns. It origins Ghibli, it from Italy word, and in Japanese they said Ghibli, but in Australian they pronounce Ghibli. So there are two or three pronouns of that word. So in recent we can find that people use that images. So, as sir mentioned in lecture also, its origin from Japan in 1985 by Hayao Miyazaki and Isao Takahata, and produced by Toshio Suzuki. So, in that concept, they are combined with that Disney partner. They are Disney partner, and they produce that movie and animation. And so recent how that Japan local that become in recent few years global that in universe. So here are some images. We can find that in Facebook also, Dibrugarh post in it, which is in Assam. So in that post we can find that India is top, and in India the Gujarat is leads with a score of 100 in that Facebook image. So here some movies images, then how the people use that images in, and how the society shaped by it. So Korean wave. So Korean wave in digital era. So now there's people moving to Korean dramas, Korean movies. Like, and here are the two groups. One is BTS. People follow that hairstyle and makeup, and that Blackpink. It's a female group of Korea, and BTS is male group. So how people inspired by their songs, their hairstyle, and all those things in a few years. So to conclude, I want to say that the how Bollywood drive that market-driven trends to society, from that Studio Ghibli to Disneyfication to the Korean waves, and how the media and all the fashion of that movies culture the society. These are my references, and thank you. If anyone have question, please ask.
What are your view on how fashion is evolving and improving in people's day-to-day lives?
Yes, Sagar. In recent times, we can find that people follow that pre-wedding, and then in the wedding also, and after that Chhathi Puja. So how the people followed by fashion. So sometimes it become extravagant for us to purchase our money, and how the market become more grow by that all fashion. So sometimes that limits are very high, and people think that we have to live in our society, our status. So sometimes it become extravagant.
So my question is, how does Bollywood's use of market forces and celebrity branding speed up the fashion cycle, and what does this struggle suggest for future fashion economies?
Yes, Roshni. As I mentioned in the my presentation, that in Rocky or Rani Ki Prem Kahani, how the Alia Bhatt's the sari also, and yesterday when I searched it on Amazon, so I think 5 lakh sold that sari. And in Amazon it is not available, as I found yesterday. So how the nowadays in TV serials also we can find that. So actors, and they are now become ambassador for that grown all those things. Thank you.